Have you ever noticed when we travel, our health habits are usually first things to collapse? We eat more outside, we move less intentionally, and we justify it and we say because we are in holiday. But the truth is, our health doesn't take holiday. And that's the reason when we are in the holidays, such as now, which we are in the Kangaroo Island, we try to be active by hiking or swimming or taking a long walk in coastal track to stay active. And most of the time we try to avoid eating outside, and that's the reason I decided to prepare something simple, powerful, and metabolically supporting our health, which is a simple salad, which hopefully you prepare it as well and enjoy it as much as we did. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza. I have over 26 years experience in research and pharmaceutical industry. In today's video, I want to share you how you can make a simple lentil salad which tastes great, but also it's rich in protein, have a lot of fiber, and have a lot of anti-inflammatory compound as well. You can have this salad as a meal, or just like us today, we had some leftover Mexican beef and sourdough bread which we made at home, and we just had it together. And end of this video, I want to highlight what's the health benefit of this salad and why it's so good, especially if you are over age of 40, to have that kind of food in your day-to-day diet. Without any further delay, let's start to making that salad together. So I'm decided to make some nice salad which goes with some mince beef, which is a lean minced beef with a bit of spices and fresh tomato from our garden. I thought it's good to have a bit of red meat and with the salad. And for this salad we need lentil, a cucumber, avocado, a red onion, garlic, tomatoes, and chili, and lemon or lime, a bit of feta cheese, and olive oil, and that's it. We start to first, just cut some of that tomato which is from our garden, and I chuck it in here. Have lycopene, which is good for prostate. I'm just going to just quickly wash our chili and cucumber. Chop thinly. Our chili. One of them is again from our garden, one of them a bit spicy, another one a bit mild. Now we're going to add avocado. I think I had enough cucumber. I'm not going to bother about another one. Because avocado gets oxidated, except you add some lime on it. I'm gonna put some lime. Onion, red onion. The garlic. We're going to add a bit of olive oil. and more. I'm going to mix all of those one to olive oil. I cut some of those feta cheese. Also, I'm going to drain this lentil and add it to salad. They are washed and sieved. Add it here. A bit of salt. I don't add a lot of salt because feta cheese has some salt. And a bit of black pepper. And we mix those one. Put those feta cheese on top. Black pepper. Tail of olive oil. Health benefit of this salad starts with the lentil, because it's high in soluble fiber and plant protein, support our insulin response, lower our bad cholesterol, and helps us with regulating our satiety. Olive oil, which is rich in polyphenol and support our cardiovascular health. Avocado, high in monounsaturated fat, which support our cholesterol and by reducing bad cholesterol, and containing potassium, which is good for blood pressure regulation. Garlic and onion has a allicin compound which helps your health of our cardiovascular systems, as well as have mild antimicrobial effect. Feta rich in protein and calcium, which is good for our skeletal and muscle health. However, you have to watch out how much salt contained in feta cheese, therefore use it in moderation. Chili, which has capsaicin, may increase your metabolic rate, also support appetite regulation. And that's the reason you should implement this salad in your diet, especially after the age of 40. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and one thing I want to remind you is our health is dependent on building and maintaining good habit by replacing bad habit. Therefore, if anything helps you to maintain and actually expand your health habit, you have to do it in order to have more active, healthy lifestyle ahead, especially as we get aged. In the end, I want to thank you all for giving your time to me, and if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And until next week, I want to just wish you all the best. Please eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.